It's been 9 years since GoPro's last stabilizer. Now they're back with something entirely new, the Fluid Pro AI, a 3-axis gimbal that could change the way creators shoot. Launching on October 21st, the Fluid Pro AI isn't just for action cams. It works with smartphones, point-and-shoots, and of course GoPro's own cameras, making it their most versatile stabilizer yet. The headline feature? AI-powered subject tracking. The gimbal can lock onto your face or body and automatically keep you centered in frame. For vloggers, solo filmmakers, or anyone who shoots without a camera operator, it's like having a personal filming assistant. Built right into the handle is a fill light, giving you better results in dim settings. And with a built-in display, adjusting controls on the fly is easier than ever. With a 400-gram payload capacity, the Fluid Pro AI handles even the heaviest flagship phones, from the Galaxy S25 Ultra to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That flexibility is a big step forward from the old Karma Grip, which only supported GoPro's action cams. Battery life is another highlight. The Fluid Pro AI runs for up to 18 hours on a single charge, outlasting DJI's and Insta360's latest models. And if your phone runs low, the gimbal doubles as a power bank, perfect for creators on the move. The catch is price. At $229.99, GoPro's gimbal sits higher than rivals from DJI, Insta360, and Hoem. But with longer battery life, AI tracking, and multi-device support, GoPro is betting creators will pay the premium. So 9 years after Karma Grip, GoPro is back in the stabilizer game, this time with a smarter, more versatile, AI-powered gimbal. The Fluid Pro AI arrives October 21st. The question is, will it be your next shooting companion?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.